All right. So welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. As you know, I am not home, not in the studio, but guess what? Work must go, must carry on. That's a part of it. People, definitely HBO, help a brother out by smashing the like button. Help a brother out by smashing the like button, people. And this is going to be an interesting one. So we're going to speak about Adrian Mariappa. We all know that Adrian Mariappa made a transfer recently to Macarthur FC, that is in the Australian A League. Um, Doing well so far. He's doing well. He's made his debut appearance, and I can tell you it was one that you would say like like a duck to water. Just suit fit. It just fit right in. So before I get into more details, people, as I said before, prior to saying anything, please smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button. And I would advise you to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss our next video. At the end of the day, people, I am trying to reach to 10K subscribers. 10K subscribers by the end of this year. By the end of this year. Before January 1st. Can you imagine? I'm not sure now, but they say aim for the sky. And if you fall on the clouds, I think that's quite comfortable. But I'm aiming for 10,000 subscribers by end of this year, people. Please help me reaching that ice. So let's get into the matter of the details. Right here. I'm bringing it up. Take your time. I'm just bringing it up, people. Just bringing it up. Yeah. So it was a lovely debut by Adrian Mariappa. Good debut. One you can't complain about. Yes, in the first first half, I think there's a one situation where the striker got through and he slipped. It was funny. It was really funny when he slipped. The striker, the referee called a foul on the striker, and I'm like, yeah. I'm saying Mopsy got away with that one there. But other than that, he had a very commanding contribution to the game. Commanding, you can see his experience oozing throughout the game. Everything in aspect of what he does, how he commands the defense line, and what he's doing in general really captivates how he is and the person that Adrian Mariappa is. So, as you can see, I put up some of his stats. These stats can tell you more in-depth on what happened throughout the game. For example, 90 minutes played, he had 4 clearances, 4 block shots. He won 5 out of all 7 duels. I think he encountered in 3 ground duels, aerial duels, in which he completed with 100%. He completed that with 100%, and 2 out of 4 ground duels in which he won. Now, he had 45 touches. Definitely, I'm not sure what happened with his passing accuracy, his passing range. This is one of the times that I said, okay, I would understand the reason why his passes weren't coming off as though he normally do, because he's a high passing ratio type of player. Surprisingly, I would say that it has a lot to do with maybe a bit of nerves. I don't know how a 35-year-old should have that amount of nerves, and you have played at so much different level. But it's a new club, new feeling, new league. Yes, that little butterfly in the tummy will expose you. It doesn't matter how good you are. So total touches, he also had a key pass, and he finished the game with a clean sheet. So my post was stated like Adrian Mariappa made his debut appearance in the A League today for MFC Bulls with a dominant performance for his new club. His experience and leadership qualities was evident in his display. A real good deal for the Bulls. Yes, I would say. And knowing Adrian Mariappa and what he's bringing to this team in particular is something that they need. That level of that Premier League experience, that Champions League experience. He has played on a variety level, the CONCACAF experience for Jamaica, the World Cup qualifiers experience for Jamaica as well. So he has a lot of experience going into these games, and you cannot downplay experience. You cannot. When you want to kill off a game, these are the type of players who knows how to kill off the game. We're winning this game. So far, this team is hasn't. I think they have played 4 games so far throughout the season. MC Bulls, they're MFC Bulls. They're doing quite well in their respect in the A League. Very very good in the A League, and definitely they are the top of the table. This win takes them to the top of the table, and adding to that, numerous amount of clean sheets. I think, let me get it. I do believe that they have like 4 out of 4 clean sheets. Give me a second. Let me check it, people. Give me a second. Let me check it. Just 1 second. It's taking a while. So I'm checking in all people. So please, I do apologize. I do apologize, people, for that. I don't want to misquote. Okay, so they conceded 1 goal so far in 4 games. 1 goal they have conceded so far in 4 games, and that was, I think, that was the first game of the season. It was actually their first game of the season against Wellington Phoenix. So this team, he find himself in a very very good team. A team, let's say a team that is looking to compete this season for the championship. Hopefully they can do that with this addition. I think that is the reason why they went out of their way to get an experienced player in the backline, because you know that the spine of the team is where the strength is. The spine of the team is where the strength is. That goalkeeper, your centre backs, your central defensive midfielder, and also your attacker. So your striker. So definitely he addressed the spine, and this is looking good for MFC Bulls, and I will definitely keep on tuning on them more. People, I did not watch a game. I just had to watch extended highlights. You can go on their website to see the extended highlights, because it's merely you'd have to get a VPN to see this type of game. I'm trying to get the VPN. I'm trying to get a different VPN now so that I can access these type of games. But it's quite difficult. And you can go on YouTube. I think the YouTube channel has like a 5 minutes highlight. You can go and check it out. I can't remember the name exactly. Just type in the scoreline and you'll definitely find it. But you can also go to the website and you get the highlights. So far the fans are loving him. The fans are really, really proud and happy to have Adrian Mariappa. So we continue to support you as Reggae Boy fans, Mariappa. Great debut. And definitely more to come for you, I believe. And it's a good one. It's a good one. So people, guys, please remember, smash the like button and make sure that you hit the subscribe button as well. And also hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a video when the next one drops. As always, Military Guna TV, people. And I am out.